Excuse me, I don't think this is ours.
I put it on your table, so it's yours now.
We haven't even ordered yet.
We've been hiding in the kitchen for like 20 minutes.
Okay, what would you like?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. After all that, you had 20 minutes to decide and you still don't know what you want.
No.
Well, then why don't you just say that? Say, my name is Caitlin and I don't know what I want.
How did you know my name is Caitlin?
So, how about you just give this a try? Okay, you might like it.
Wow.
Or not. I don't care.
Welcome to Golden Palace. What do you want?
Could I hear the specials?
Every dish is special.
Okay, well, what would you recommend?
I recommend you pick before I walk away. What's so funny? Okay, you know what? That's it. I'm out.
Who are all these white people? Where do they come from? I don't know.
Excuse me, can I get a photo?
With him?
You're the mean waiter, right?
I'll do it for money.
How about $10?
Yes.